Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, October the 26th. So I've come outside to water my flowers, and that was my pretty yellow one. It is just dying. It is leaving me. And that is the other one. They are leaving. The red one is still nice and beautiful and big. It's bloomed nicely. Pumpkins are still looking really great. Looking really great. I'm gonna go ahead and water them. I see a few in here that are trying to survive. So I'm gonna go ahead and water them. But I am gonna go to the store and get some more. Happy Monday to every one of you. I hope and pray that you guys are having a great morning so far. Well, right now I am sitting in the Kroger parking lot. I was on my way to do my morning walk, and it started to drizzle. Take a look. So I don't know if you can see all that on the windshield. That's not dirt, it's actually rain. And so I'm not going to head that way because I do not want to get caught up in the rain, of course. So anyway, I am here now in the Kroger parking lot. I decided I'd go ahead, before turning back around and going home, I'd go ahead and stop and pick up some dinner for tonight. We're going to have some shrimp scampi. Angelina wanted some shrimp this week, so I thought that was a pretty good idea. I hadn't had it in a while. So I'm going to make some shrimp scampi, and that's going to be dinner tonight. So I'm going to go on inside of Kroger. I hate that I'm not going to do my walk because I missed a couple of days last week, and then I didn't go this weekend. So I was really looking forward to walking this morning. But that's how it is sometimes. So thank God we're going to be getting a treadmill because the winter months are coming and it gets cold here and I will not be able to do my morning walks. So we're going to be shopping for a treadmill over the next couple of weeks to see if we can get a really good deal on one. But anyway, before it gets too bad, I'm going to go ahead and head on into Kroger and get back to the house. This cute Indian shrimp. Okay, this 2-pound bag is going to be $9.98. That's not bad. I'm gonna pick this up. All right, guys. So I found this Good Day pasta, and it says 24 carbs per serving. Regular pasta is 41 carbs per serving. So let's take a look at this. Serving is about 1 cup. Let's see, 24 carbs, 7 of those is the dietary fiber. Yeah, so it's significantly less than 24 grams of protein, significantly less than the others. So that's pretty good. All right, I think we're gonna go with this one. Guys, today's breakfast, I've got a bacon and cheese sandwich, and I got me a little bit of Magic Spoon fruity cereal, and that is today's breakfast. Yummy. All right, guys, I've got my absentee ballot. I'm getting ready to make a very, very important move on today. I already know who I am voting for, so yeah, I'm excited to do this. I'm excited and I'm anxious. Okay. You too. I just voted. I just turned in my absentee ballot. I'm so excited. This is probably one of the most important elections in the history of the United States. So guys, if you have not voted, please get out to vote. I hope everybody registered to vote. If you have not voted, please get out there to vote. If you don't do early voting, please get out there early on election day and get your vote in. Your voice matters. Hey y'all, I have made it back and I am getting ready to cook dinner. We are going to have shrimp scampi today, and I'm gonna make me a salad. I really want another salad like I made last week, that Greek salad. It was so good. So I might make one of those, I don't know yet. But at any rate, I'm going to make some shrimp scampi and some grilled catfish. So let's get started. The time is now 5:30. I'm hungry. I have not eaten since breakfast. Been a bit of a busy day. I did go and cast my absentee ballot. I am so happy about that, which I've already shared that with you guys. I had to go to physical therapy today. I did that, got that out of the way. And I had to do quite a bit of work for BP, trying to set up our online production this Friday, but I'm going to share that with you guys a little bit later. I'm also going to be sharing something else with you guys a little bit later before I close out this vlog. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started with dinner. All right, guys, we're first going to start out with some onion, and I only want a little bit of onion in here. So I'm just going to slice. This is a half of onion right here. I'm going to probably use half of this half, okay? So I'm going to cut it like that. And then I'm just going to dice it really small. And also, just so you know, I do have my pasta water over there going to, I've got it over there boiling so that my pasta can go in it when it's ready. So let that be the very first thing you do. Get your pasta water going. Okay, next we're going to chop 3 cloves of garlic. All right, everyone, so here we go. We've got a hot skillet here. We're going to start out with some olive oil in the bottom of the skillet there. And to this, we're going to add our onion that we chopped. We're also going to add our stick of butter. All right, our butter has cooked down. Now we're going to add just a few, depends on how hot you want it, just a few. I'm going to add maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And this is one of those instances where that I was talking to you about earlier, where I said fresh ingredients. I do not have any fresh chopped parsley. So if you have any fresh flat leaf parsley, I would recommend you use a couple of bunches of that. I do not, so I'm going to have to use the dried parsley, but I'm using about a tablespoon of dried parsley. And I'm going to make sure the heat is on medium-low. Medium-low heat. We don't want this to burn at all. Now to this, we're going to add our chopped garlic. I'm going to use, and you would add the chicken stock and white wine. So we're just going to be omitting the white wine today. But we're going to add about 1/2 cup of chicken broth. All right, now to this, we're going to add some salt and pepper. Now we're going to turn our temperature down just a little bit. And we're going to add our shrimp into our garlic butter sauce. So my shrimp scampi is going over here. My pasta water is ready. I'm now going to add, remember I bought this right here earlier today. This is the Good Day pasta. I'm going to be using this. So I am anxious to try it. I showed you all the macros earlier. Again, total carbohydrates, 24 grams. 7 of those come from the dietary fiber. So it is still, you know, more carbs than I would like to consume, but it is still less carbs than it would be if I was getting regular pasta. And for me right now, that's okay. That's okay. So, oops, let me first add some salt to my water. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and shake the pasta in. These are interesting little shapes. I don't know what all these shape pasta. Okay, I'm only gonna cook a half a bag. Okay, and let's fix that. I don't want it to get stuck together. Okay, these are called ruffles. This pasta shape is ruffles. Can you guys see that? There you go, ruffles. Okay, interesting. Anyway, so I got my ruffled shaped pasta in there, and I'm hoping that it's gonna be good. Okay, our shrimp scampi is just about ready. I'm gonna sit this under the broiler for approximately 30 seconds to let it finish up. So we've got our shrimp scampi out of the oven, and now I'm sprinkling a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. And we are all done. All right, we're gonna taste our Good Day pasta. Is that what it is? Forgot the name of it. But anyway, let's taste this low carb pasta. We're gonna see if it's ready. Hot. Al dente. All right, it's ready, and you guys, it tastes really good. It tastes like pasta. All right, that's ready. All right, guys, I've already started eating. This is so good. So yummy. Shrimp scampi and pasta in a delicious garlic butter sauce. And I'm using Good Day pasta. Let me show you this right here. Good Day pasta is amazing, y'all. This pasta is so good. Let me let you see. Look at that. Woohoo! Y'all see that? You know what? And I did not squeeze any lemon in here. When you take yours out, I forgot to squeeze lemon over the top of mine. When you take yours out, get a lemon wedge, squeeze a little bit of lemon juice over the top of your scampi once you get it out of the broiler. I'm gonna put some over this when I get off the phone with y'all. Garlicky, buttery. The noodles taste just like pasta's supposed to taste. The shrimp is tender and juicy. This is a winner. This is fabulous, guys. Delicious. I'm gonna go sit down and eat, and I'll talk to you guys before I head to bed tonight. Delicious. Well, everybody, that is it for today's video. I've already made my detox tea. Downstairs in my office getting ready to do a little bit of work, and I'm gonna call it a night. That is it. Thank you guys so much for joining me, all of you who did. Again, I want to encourage you to get out there and vote. Okay, vote. Do I need to wear this sticker every day leading up until the election next week? Get out there and vote, guys. Oh, and before I forget, also, I told you guys I was going to be announcing something to you guys. I will be going live this coming Sunday at 3 p.m. I'm going to be going live really for my first time here on YouTube. And so I want to invite you guys out to join me this Sunday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. I am Central Time. So yeah, I'm going to have more information about that a little bit later. I'm going to make a special little mini video talking about me going live this Sunday just to, I guess, commemorate my first full month of vlogging. This has been so fun. It has been a great experience. While at first it was a bit stressful, it has become easier, and it's something that I think I want to continue to do. It is really fun. And so if this content, if you guys are enjoying it, I'd like to hear from you. I'd like to know. So I'll be just having a little live Q&A session this Sunday, November the 1st at 3 p.m. p.m., 3 p.m. Central Time. So again, I'll have more information about that a little bit later. Thank you guys so much for watching. It is my prayer that you have a blessed and prosperous day today. And yeah, I will talk to you in the next vlog. Have a good one. Sincerely, Legenia. Bye.